Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has urged the union government to immediately ensure adequate supply of commercial LPG cylinders to hotels and food establishments in Bengaluru, warning that many businesses could shut down if the shortage continues. In a letter to Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, the Chief Minister sought urgent intervention and asked the centre to direct oil marketing companies to address the supply constraints affecting the city's hospitality sector. Siddaramaiah referred to the March 9th order issued by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas prioritising LPG supply for domestic consumers. While calling the move well-intentioned, he said, it appears to have unintentionally created a shortage of commercial LPG cylinders in Bengaluru. Hotel and restaurant associations have reported difficulties in procuring cylinders and warned that several establishments may be forced to temporarily shut down if supplies are not restored soon. Bengaluru's large network of restaurants, mess facilities and catering units serves lakhs of students and working professionals daily, and disruptions could affect the routine of thousands of residents. According to the Chief Minister, Karnataka's commercial LPG demand is usually met through supplies from Indian Oil Corporation, about 500 to 550 metric tons per day, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation around 300 metric tons, and Bharat Petroleum around 230 metric tons. However, sudden disruption in these supplies have severely affected commercial users, including chowdhuries, hostels, community halls and event venues. The shortage is linked to global energy disruptions triggered by tensions in West Asia. The centre has invoked the Essential Commodities Act 1955 and revised natural gas allocation, prioritising domestic piped gas, transport CNG and LPG production. India has around 332 million LPG consumers and consumes about 31.3 million tons annually, with nearly 87% used in households. About 62% of the country's LPG requirement is met through imports, much of it passing through the strategic Strait of Hormuz. Following the crisis, Prime Minister Narendra Modi reviewed the energy situation and directed officials to ensure consumers do not suffer. Refineries have been asked to maximize LPG output, and the refill booking cycle has been extended to 25 days to prevent panic buying. Global oil markets have also been volatile. US President Donald Trump recently said the war with Iran may end soon, causing oil prices to fall sharply. However, Saudi Aramco has warned that prolonged disruption in shipments through the Strait of Hormuz could have serious consequences for global energy markets. Meanwhile, US Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth said the conflict would end only after Iran is totally defeated.